Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're actually looking for a way to achieve a beautiful, stylish and a sleek back in your hairstyle, this particular video tutorial is for you. Watch it and learn how you can achieve that beautiful, sleek and classy back in your hairstyle. So guys, if today is your first time of coming across my channel or my video, you're welcome to Forever Beauty World channel, where I make video about beauty, hairstyle transformation and everything that has to do with beauty. I bring to you guys so many interesting video and beauty transformation. Please hit on the subscribe button, like this video, share it out, leave a comment and tell me if you'll be trying out this ponytail packing gel hairstyle, or if you have tried it out before. If you have actually tried it out before, was it able to come out so neat and perfect the way this one you're seeing on the screen is? If no, watch this one and learn how to make yours so that it will come out so neat and perfect. For my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys' love and support. Thank you so much, and do not forget to share out our videos as well. Packing your hairstyle is one of the hairstyle that I love so much because it has a way of making it to look so simple and beautiful at the same time. No matter the shape of face that you have, packing your hairstyle would definitely fit you, or should I say, you will definitely find the one that suits your face. And I don't know what's up with this trend of using a spoon for your packing your hairstyle. I think that is what makes it come out so sleek. And again, the gel they are actually using in this particular packing gel hairstyle tutorial was not just that our regular gel that we used to, do our packing gel, that regular black gel. No, I think what they're actually using is, should I say, braiding gel? Yeah, those ones that look like edge control, those ones that they used to lay baby hairs. I think that is what they're actually using for this particular packing gel hairstyle. Though it came out so neat and beautiful. There is no need me asking you if you have tried out packing gel hairstyle, because why not? If not, in one way or the other, you have actually tried it out. So tell us if you like this particular ones that you saw on this video, and do not forget to subscribe.